What to do, world? I'm gonna use this for my first little video to add to my channel. Actually, I already cleaned them and cut them, so I'm a couple steps ahead. But I halfway through, I just said, let me record it. Okay, I got some lobster tails. Bam. Cleaned them, cut them. Now I gotta season them. I like this right here. This good for seafood. Just something quick. Get the top and the bottom, season it. You gotta watch it too, cause it'll make you sneeze. Oh. Alright, now I made some garlic butter up to drizzle over the top of this thing. You know, garlic butter make everything taste good. Tell me I'm lying. So you do that thing. I preheat the oven to 375. And I got my tripod and my camera and all that, but like I said, I wasn't even intending to be doing this right now, but I gotta figure out how I'm gonna set that up. But yeah, I'm coming though. I'm gonna be posting a lot more. For sure. All right. Gotta remember, presentation is a big part of showing. Spread these tails out. Dry my hands on. Let me show you. Let's see if I can turn it. Whatever. Check them out. Throw them in the oven. 12 to 15 minutes. Sexy, sexy, sexy.
I don't know who you are, big fan of your work.
I like when she make freaky sound, the one she